Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have some brand new nail art stickers from Twinkled T that will be releasing tomorrow, February 28th. Today I've got 6 packs to show you, and I'm going to be doing some nail art with one of them later on in the video to show you how they work. These nail art stickers were designed to be super easy to use, so even if you've never done nail art before, this would be a great place to start. All you have to do is peel off the sticker from the paper, place it onto your nail, and then seal it in with a top coat. Today I'm going to be using this fruity sticker pack called Sweet and Sour. So what I had in mind for this design is to do a colorful French manicure so that I can match the different colored citrus stickers that are part of this pack. I'm going to be using red for the grapefruit, orange for the orange, yellow for the lemon, and green for the lime. And you may notice I'm not being extremely careful with where I'm placing the color. I'm just trying to get that color onto the tip, and then I'm going to clean up and sharpen those curved lines afterwards. And to sharpen up those curved lines, I'm going to use a cleanup brush dipped in acetone, and I'm going to use short, small strokes to slowly clean up those edges. And now onto the fun part, the stickers. So I'm going to be using a pair of tweezers to remove the sticker from the paper, but you could also totally use your fingers. In fact, it might even be easier to do that. Then I'm going to place the half citrus fruit right where the French tip starts. Then I'm just going to smooth down the sticker with my finger to make sure it's all flat. And to finish it off, I'm going to seal it all in using a fast drying top coat. So here's the finished design, which concludes the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I mentioned earlier, these nail art sticker packs will be released tomorrow, February 28th, and you can purchase them on the Twinkled T website, which I'll have linked down below, as well as my discount code. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. But anyways, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!